So in today's lesson, we'll analyze this very interesting position and we'll use our knowledge of opposition to find a way to save the game in this particular position where black looks in a pretty aggressive position because of the position of the king, and to see the dangers that the white is in, we'll just play through a few natural moves and see what is the problem that white is facing. Okay, so if I'm not aware of the concept of a position and the particular way to save this game, I can play a natural move like this, which is the usual choice of most of the students whom I show this position for the first time. But after the pawn push to c4, the position is immediately lost because let us say if white goes to c3, I can take my king to b3 to stay in touch with the pawn. White can try to maintain the position like this, but as we know, the position doesn't work when the attacking side is on the sixth rank already. So I play the king here, and king has to make way, and I can promote the pawn to a queen and do a simple checkmate. So we'll go back to the starting position. So we saw what is the problem. If we are making some natural moves like king d2, we are losing the game. So in this game, we have to use our knowledge of the concept of opposition to be able to save the game and draw the game. So in this case, I'll move the pawn to c4, force the king to go away, chasing the pawn. King captures, and here white gains a position. So we know this specific position where black is ahead of the pawn, but because white has the position, still the position becomes a draw. So let us see how the game will go. The king can come here. I'll stay in front of the king, pawn push. I stay in front of the pawn. Pawn pushes further. I stay right back. And when the king comes forward, I oppose the king. And finally, I will get into a stalemate. Okay, so this is a very interesting position where we use our knowledge of the concept of opposition to save a seemingly lost ending. Okay, so in endings, it is very important to practice these important concepts to develop a proper understanding of these positions to be able to, uh, you know, save seemingly lost positions. I'll see you in the next lesson.